Hello friends, welcome to Sufers English. In this video, we will be going to see how to install Pycham by JetBrains. Pycham is a code editor which is designed to edit Python codes. As Python is a high-defined programming language, we actually need a code editor to just represent the code and get the outputs from them. So you can just search by the Google Pycham and you'll get the first link by JetBrains. You can just download it in the website and you can just move on to your start menu and you can see Pycham Community Edition, which is your current edition. You can download it and you can just open it by your start menu and you'll be just seeing this current dashboard. This is the actual dashboard of Pycham, and you will be not having these projects over here, and you have to first create a new project. In order to do that, you can, on the left right, you will be seeing file option, and there you can click new project and you'll have a varieties of options there. You can just select new project and here it opens a dialog box which show you the location and to change the file name. You can set as for your wish what is the file name you're going to give, and the location I just specified in the C colon because it runs faster in it doesn't run faster in hard disk, so SSD is basically the quickest way. If you're going to load a more code, you can just specify it in the C colon, which is my wish, and you can also just proceed in that. And this will be not showing for you because I can already contain many projects, so it's just showing me to open it in the new window. I just open this in the new window and here comes a code surface project number 1, and there are some predefined projects over here which is main.py, and Python scripts just generally exist with .py extension is .py. okay, and these codes I'm not going to just explain what them are because we are going to officially launch the Python series on 26 January. Stay tuned for that and do like this video and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to just show you how this actually works, but not to explain the code but how to run the code. I just going to specify the name. It's just going to show you hi code surface. So on the top right corner you can see a run button which is an inverted triangle. You can just select that and here a dialog box which is known as the terminal opens, and this is how the output actually looks in Python. It is hi code surface. I have already said this is going to be the output and it just printed over here. So, and the top of it is the location and the lower of it is hi code surface, which is the output. And please do like, share and subscribe our channel. This is Ashul John signing off.